think it's broken.
Oh, that's my favourite.
Santa Claus gave me that.
Like, reverse it over it.
Yes, back it up, back it up.
I think you missed. This is going on Facebook as well.
Why you
filming?
Yeah.
That was
Shall I go on it and film it?
Halfway up it and stopped. It was perfect.
Pull the lever out.
Pull the lever out all the way back.
Jake.
That's it, don't touch anything.
Nah, it's not going to make it. No, we wanted to cross that bit as well. A tank versus a washing machine. I think the washing machine won. So stop.